Before we dive into the main discussion, let me introduce the background of this film. So, That Sugar Film is an Australian documentary by Damon Gamo that examines the hidden sugars in everyday foods marketed as healthy. Gamo documents a 60-day experiment consuming 40 teaspoons of sugar daily through items like smoothies and cereals, leading to weight gain, mood swings, and fatty liver disease. The film critiques deceptive marketing practices in the sugar industry and raises awareness about sugar's impact on health. Through humor, animation, and expert interviews, the film appeals to a broad audience by making complex scientific information accessible. It also features prominent personalities like Hugh Jackman and Stephen Fry to boost its narrative appeal. My reaction and insights to That Sugar Film. My reaction is, I think the film is an eye-opener to the people and revealing the hidden dangers of sugar in foods marketed as a healthy. Damon Gamo's personal experiment makes the consequences of the sugar consumption relatable and impactful. It effectively critiques deceptive marketing practices while encouraging viewers to be more mindful about their diets. And my insight is, I think the documentary highlights the urgent need for transparency in food labeling and the importance of informed choices, and the challenge societal norms around healthy eating and inspire a shift toward more conscious and consumption. Personal connection to That Sugar Film. And my personal connection to the film is, I think the film message hit close to home, reflecting the challenge of avoiding hidden sugars in everyday food choices. It's a reminder of importance of mindful eating and reading food labels carefully. And on a societal level, it exposes how marketing shapes unhealthy dietary habits, emphasizing the need for stricter regulation and education. The documentary inspires both personal and collective action for healthier lifestyles and greater awareness of the food industry influence.